Please, in this training, I'm going to take you through how to create what international what. You see that African TikToks, like when you create an African TikTok account, they don't pay you. That's how it is. Unless you have an international what or outside this account. And then for the account, they have a limit the countries that they will be able to pay. For example, if you create UK account, and then they pay you, you'll be able to withdraw. If you're in Ghana and then they pay you, you'll be able to withdraw. But if you create US account, when they pay you, it will be difficult for you to withdraw. They will ask you for this in your passport, LSC, and then a lot of documents that you, as you are here, you cannot provide unless that person is in that US or in that country that will help you to withdraw. But if you are in Ghana here, please, I want to take you through how to create an international what TikTok account. And then in this training, it's very, very simple. So make sure you on your data. On your data, come to this TikTok. Have you seen this TikTok? Have you seen this TikTok? This TikTok. This TikTok I'm going to show you. So now I'll just open it. This I just created my international TikTok just right now. It didn't take long. Just right now I created it. But stay on step by step. I will take you through how
I used to believe we were burning on the edges of
international TikTok. Why am I saying that it's international TikTok?
beautiful.
There are some
I used to
things
believe
or
we were burning on the edges
have
of
you seen this? Have you seen this your profile site?
something beautiful.
Have you seen the profile? Tap on
I
the
used to
profile.
believe we were burning on the
Tap on the
edges of
profile.
something beautiful. Something beautiful.
So when you tap on the profile, this is what will appear. This the videos I just posted now. These are the videos I just posted now. So now, so have you seen this one? This one. So you tap on that one or you open it. When you open it, why am I saying that I'm going to take you through how to for you to know that it's US or sorry UK account. So you tap on settings and privacy. Settings and privacy. So I'm going to take you through how to now check that one. You see, come here. This account will now tell you whether it's US account or UK account or Ghana account or any country account, depending. So I'll tap on the account. So now, have you seen this is how it is. So let me say account information. Come and tap here. Account information. So you can see it's UK account. Have you seen UK account? Your account region is initially set based on the time and place for registration. So you see that it's what United account. That's what UK account. So I'm going to take you through how to create your what your UK account. So and it's very very simple, very very simple. So now for you to create your account, you come here. The account you have, leave that one. Come and log out. Come and tap on this one. Log out. Tap on this log out. Have you seen the log out? Tap on log out. Log out. So you wait for it to come. I'm logging out from this account. I'm logging out from this account. So now, if you log out, this what will come.
After a while, the lion left. The jackal quickly ran to the spot and entered the elephant from the same opening where the lion had been eating. He went inside and started eating. After some time, the sun got hotter and the elephant's skin became hard, closing the
profile. So when you tap on your profile, you wait for it to come. Hold on, just wait. I have this account. This one is what? My international what? TikTok account. This is my international TikTok account. And then this one is what? Ghana account. This is my Ghana account. As I'm here, I created this one. So now, for you who is searching to do what? Create international TikTok account. So you come here. Have you seen sign up? Have you seen this? Sign up. Have you seen that one? So you tap on it. When you tap on it, look at here. Let me bring this one top. Look at here. Have you seen Ghana? The location. Have you seen that they have shown me my location? That I'm in Ghana. I'm in Ghana. So because I'm in Ghana, that I created it because they have shown me my location. So now we are going to change this one to UK or any country that you want to have an account with them. And when they pay you, you'll be able to what? To withdraw. So now let's go. So you come and tap on the what? Ghana. Have you seen this? Come and tap on the Ghana. Have you seen Ghana? So tap on it. When you tap on it, have you seen it? So you now scroll to pick the country account that you want. We are going to change the location. So if you want US, you can take US, UK, any country that you want, that they can be able to pay, and then you're able to withdraw it. That's how it is. So now I'm going to pick US. US, if you're in Africa and then you have an account with them and then you want to withdraw, that one is easy. You can withdraw it. And then I was in this UK and then US, but I want UK. The reason why I'm picking UK is because any account you create with them, there are some things you're able to withdraw. But when you pick United States, that's US, their laws are strict. So withdrawing money is very high. So we tap on what? United Kingdom. So UK. So when you tap on UK, come and now check here. Here, I believe here it was Ghana. Have you seen it? It was Ghana. You see that it has now changed to the United States because we want to pick the account listen. So when you pick it that way, when you down select that way, you say by continuing with an account located in United Kingdom, you agree to our terms of service and acknowledge that you have read out privacy policy and cookies policies. That's how it is. You have your UK account. So that's your UK account. So now let's go. So what do? When you set it that way, you know, if you have your email, you can use your email. If you have your what? If you want to sign up with Google, you can continue with Google. Facebook, you can continue. Anyone you want. Have you seen how it is? Have you seen how it is? But I'm going to create what? Use with Google. Continue with Google. So I'll tap on continue with Google. So I'll tap continue with Google. And then wait for it to come. So when it comes this way, they will not ask me to pick which account do I want to create. Which account? So you select the account you want. If you have one account, you pick. But me, I have one account, so I'm going to use this account. Obviously, this account is good for me. So I'll pick that account. I'll tap on it. When I tap on it, you wait for it to load and come. So you wait for it to come.
Hole through which the jackal had entered. When the jackal had eaten his fill, he saw that the opening was closed.
The profile.
After a while, the lion left. The jackal quickly ran to the spot and entered the elephant from the same opening where the lion had been eating. He went inside and started eating. After some time, the sun got hot.
When you tap on the profile, have you seen? This is the account. They will ask me to add some people. If I want, I can add them. Let me add them as my friends. If you create it and you want to add people to follow them, you can do it. You see, to follow, you can do it. So it's okay. Those people, it's okay for me. So now, what is next? We are going to set our account. So come and tap on this one. This one. Tap on this one. Have you seen this? Tap on it. I'm going to show you whether it's that one to have created the account with them or not. So now, what is next? Account and privacy. The settings and privacy. Have you seen the settings and privacy? So you tap on it. So when you tap on it, it's very simple. When you tap on it, come to account. I've seen account. Tap on the account. So come here. This we are going to find out whether it's they have created it for us as the UK account or which how. For you to now know it's an international TikTok. When you are posting, there are some things you know. So now let's post, and then there are some things when you post, you know that it's international. They will ask you to select the particular country that you want them to watch. So I'm going to tap on it, and then let's create. So I tap on create. I want to use that one and then show you when I post the particular people that I want them to watch. The people that I want them to watch that distance. So I will take you through step by step. Let me pick these pictures. Let me select these pictures. Let me add again. Let me add another one. So I want this and this pages. I want to post this. So I'll tap on what next. So now, as I was telling you see in African TikTok, when you are creating, they don't ask you the location you want to post. No, they won't show you or they won't tell you the location you want to post. This you only see this thread dot. You only see this. You only see distance. You only see this. You only see this. You only see this, but you will not see this one there. So that shows that it's international. So I'm going to do what? I'm going to locate this. I'm going to search for any country in US. Sorry, UK. That so I will come here and type. I will type. I want okay, US. Let me select the particular. Now let me use the second one. Have you seen that they have indicated United? So I want those. No, I don't want that one. I want to change. Let me say UK. Okay, London. Okay, I want to pick. Let me pick London. So now I see the London is there. Let me now type. Let me just write something. Please help me and my please help me and my mother. I want this. I just wanted that. So I will tap on that done. So and then I will now post it. Let me post it. You see, these are the features of international TikTok. These are the international TikTok. So thank you very much. If you find this one useful, please share and like and follow for more.